This small habit is silently ruining your financial future. It starts as one little thing: a $5 coffee, a random app subscription you completely forgot about, or swiping your card without even checking the balance. It feels harmless, but it's a financial blind spot in disguise. Here's the truth. It's not about the $5. It's the pattern you're building. A pattern of ignoring your money, of saying it's just $5 every single day. And over time, that pattern becomes a lifestyle that leads to overdrafts, credit card debt, missed investment opportunities, and anxiety that follows you around like a shadow. Let's break it down. $5 a day, every day, for 10 years. That's $18,250. Now imagine you invested that. With just an 8% return, that grows to over $27,000. That's a car, a business, a house deposit, or even a college fund gone. All because you told yourself, it's just $5. So how do you turn it around? Start small. Track one daily habit. Set a weekly money check-in. Use a simple spending tracker app, or even just a notebook. Before buying something, pause. Ask yourself, is this future me approved? Because future you deserves better than financial leftovers. Want more money truths that hit deep? Follow Money Map, your guide to mastering money in a world that's built to distract you. And if this hit home, drop an electric light bulb in the comments. Let us know the small habit you're finally letting go of.